Yes, our example is 28, 15. 28, 15. So this can be considered as array A. So 0, 1. Right. So here I am taking small example. Right. So here these are the major loops for performing radix. So k by positions. Right now. So 0, 1. So first of all, we can find out the greater value, so k value. So that can be done with the help of scanf function. If k a of I greater than k, so k is equal to a of I. So based on that, we can find out. So k is equal to 28. So k is equal to 28, right? So after find out the greater value, so here pass 1. So in pass 1, position is equal to 1. So position is equal to 1. So k by position. So k by position is nothing but 28 by position. So 28 by 1 greater than 0. So obviously coefficient is 28. So 28 greater than 0. So that is true. So position is equal to, so here this is true. So we can continue this process. So count array is set to be 0. So size is 10. So maximum value at each and every position, digit values maximum is 9. So that's why we are considering count array size is set to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's it. So here all are zeros. So initially count value is set to be zeros. Fine. Then we can update the count array by using this loop. Right? So I is equal to 0. 0 less than n. What is the n value? Number of elements. N is equal to 2. So 0 less than 2. So 0 less than 2. So we are updating count array. So 0 less than 2 condition is true. Plus count of a of I. So a of 1. A of 0. So a of 0 is 28. So 28 by position is 1. Modulo division of 10. So plus count of, so 28 by 1. So what is the coefficient? So 128 is 28. So 28. So division operator result is this one, not remainder value, right? So modulo division operation result is this one. Remember that one. So 28 modulo division of 10. So we are performing modulo division operation. So 10, 28. So 10 to 20. So at 8th position. So count of 8. So go to 8th position. Index is incremented by 1. So after completion of this one, I is incremented by 1. So I is equal to 1. 1 less than 2. So condition is true. So we are executing plus count a of I. So a of 1. So what is a of 1? 15 by 1 modulo division of 10. So plus count of, so 1 15 15. So 15 modulo division of 10. So 10 1's 10. So remainder is 5. So count of 5. So go to 5th index of count array. So this is count array incremented by 1. Right? So then I is incremented by 1, 2 less than 2. Condition is failure. So we can stop the process. Now updated count array is this one. This one, right? So here updated count array is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Now update the count array based on this loop, right? So here simply we are adding previous values of count array, right? So initially value is 0, starts from 1 only. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So 0 plus 1, 1. So 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, 0. So 2 plus 0, 2. Now count array is updated with the help of previous count array values adding, right? So 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 plus 1, 6, 7, so 8. 1 plus 1, 2, 9. So this is newly updated count array, right? So based on this count array, I construct output array. So this is B. So B. So B array is checking with the help of this one. So I is equal to n minus 1. So I is equal to n minus 1 means 2 minus 1, 1. 1 greater than or equal to 0. Condition is true. Now update B of, so A of I. So A of I is, so A of I. So I value is 1 na. A of I, A of 1, 15. So A of 1 is equal to B of minus minus count of A of I by position. So A of I. So A of 1, 15 by position. So 15 by 1, 15. Modulo division of 10. So modulo division of 10. So 15 modulo division of 10, it returns 5. So go to 5th index, decremented by 1. So at 0th position, we can store 15. So we can store A of 1, that is 15, right? So after completion of this one, I is decremented by 1. Now I value becomes 0, 0 greater than or equal to 0. Now update the B array with the help of A of I. A of 0 is equal to B of minus minus count of A of 0. So A of 0 is 28. A of 0 is 28. So 28 by 10. So 28 by 10. So 10 to 20. So this is 8. So 2 modulo division of, so 2 modulo division of 10, which is 2. So go to index 2. Go to index 2. So count of 2 na. So 10 to 20, 8. So 2. Go to index. So A of I value is 28. So 28 by, so position is 1 na, not 10. Position is 1. So initially position is 1. So 128 is 28. So 28. So 28. So in previously I can say 1, I think 1 na. So 5 by 1, 5. So 5 modulo division of 10, 5. So that is correct. So 128. So 28 modulo division of 10. So 10 to 20. So 8. So go to 8th index. So go to 8th index, decremented by 1. So at first index we are storing 28. Fine. So after completion of this one, I is decremented by 1. So I is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Condition is failure. So that's why we can terminate the loop. Now this is the input array for past 2. So after completion of entire operation, position value becomes, position is equal to 1 into, so initially position value is 1 into 10. So now position value becomes 10. Position value becomes 10. So here I am updating position. So position is equal to 10. So K. So what is K value? 28 by 10. So 10 twos 28 greater than 0. Sorry, 10 twos 28. So 2 greater than 0. Obviously true. So initially count value is set to be 0. So this is count value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Fine. So here now update the count array with the help of this one. So here you can understand why you are placing n. So we are checking up to n values only initially count array, not 10 values, right? So I is equal to 0, I less than n. So 0 less than 2. So condition is true. So plus plus count of. So this is input array for next pass. So that is pass 1. Input is this one, not this one, right? So here count of I of 0, 15 by position. Position is 10 na. So 15 by 10 modular division of 10. So 15 by 10. So 10 ones. I think 10 ones. So 10 ones. So coefficient is 1. So 10 ones. So 1 modular division of 10. So 1 modular division of 10 means 1 modular division of 10. So 1. So go to index 1 is incremented by 1. Right? So after completion of this one, I is incremented by 1. So I is equal to 1. 1 less than or equal to 2. So count of of 1. So 28. So 28 by 10. I think 2 na. So 2. So 28 by. So 10 to 20. So 2 modular division of 10. So go to second index, incremented by 1. Right? So after completion of this one, I is incremented by 1. So 2 less than or equal to 2. Condition is failure. We can stop the process. So updated count array is this one na. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we can update the total elements in the count array by adding previous values for this one. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fine. So 1. So initial value is same. So now update up to 9th position from 1 to 9. Right? So 1 plus 0. 1. 1 plus 1. 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Right? So now we are update the output array. So here output array is represented with the help of B. Right? So update array can be done with the help of this one. Na? So here I am taking of I. So I is equal to n minus 1. So I is equal to 2. So total number of elements are 2, n minus 1, 1. So 1 greater than or equal to 0. Condition is true. We are update this one. So A of 1 is equal to B of minus minus count of A of I. What is A of I? So A of 1. What is A of 1 value? 28. So 28 by 10 modulo division of 10. So 28 by 10 means 10 2 is 20. So 2. So count of 2. So go to count 2. So go to count 2 decremented by 1. So at first position, so 0, 1. At first position, we are inserting A of 1, that is 28. Fine. So then decremented, I value is decremented by 1. I is equal to 0. 0 greater than or equal to 0. So A of 0, which is equivalent to B of minus minus count of A of I. So what is A of I value? So A of 0 value. So A of 0 value is 15. So 15 by 10 modular division of 10. So obviously coefficient is 10 ones. So 1 modular division of 10. So 1. So go to count of 1. Decremented by 1. So at 0th position we are inserting A of 1. A of 0, that is 15. So decremented by, now I value is decremented by 1. I is equal to minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Condition is failure. We can stop the process. So after completion of entire process, position is incremented by into 10. So what is the previous position? So position is equal to 10 into 10. That is 100. So position is equal to 100. So again we are starting the process. Pass 3. So position is equal to 100. That is k value. So 28 by 100. So 28 by 100 means, so 0. So here coefficient value is less than 0. Right now. So that's why. So condition is failure. So 28 by 100 greater than 0. So 0 point something. So 0 point something. So greater than 0. So this condition is failure. So that's why you cannot apply this process. So the control will be passed to out of this loop. So finally we can print this array. So this array is copied into A of I. So for that purpose I am writing a loop already. A of I is equal to B of I. So finally output array can be printed with the help of I equal to 0 to n, right? So this is about tracing for radix sort, right? So if you have any doubts regarding to this example, please post your doubts in comment section. Thank you.